Hello folks, and welcome to another video from H&W Answers. As you can see, today we're doing a video about SSD hard drive enclosure. Recently I had a little bit accident with one of my laptops. By mistake I just dropped a cup of coffee on my laptop, so it's not water damaged and it's behind repair, so I just ordered this enclosure actually to retrieve some of my data. Let's see if we can retrieve some of the data, and that I will show you guys on my next video. But let's open up that enclosure and see what is inside of it. Alright, as you can see, that is just only the enclosure itself, and just one piece of cable and some screws to just attach the SSD drive or hard drive inside that enclosure. Let's open up. I will just open up that enclosure. Okay, as you can see, it is quite very simple thing. So I hope it will work. I will let you guys know. Just for piece of information, I have bought that enclosure from bol.com for 20 euros. Below I will leave the link, and then if someone is interested in you will know the result, how it works, just feel free to leave your comment on the question on the comment section. Thank you very much.